My name is Ehab. I'm a student here, first year medical student at the Northern Alberta Medical Program. We call ourselves NAMP or NAMPers. Where I grew up was in St. Paul. Right now I'm in Cold Lake, which is again, it's labeled as a city, but there's literal ranch in the middle of Main Street. I was a 911 operator and I was a volunteer firefighter. And the one thing that I've seen with these experiences is that there's just a lack of resources in rural communities. The fact that you're in a hospital adds so much. You're seeing patients on a daily basis, you're seeing doctors on a daily basis. You're learning alongside nurses and paramedics all the time because we're learning in the same building. I would like to go back to Cold Lake because that's where I live currently, and that's where I have a connection to my people already. So it'd be nice to go back, but I'm also building a connection here.